Have you ever wondered how your phone recognizes your face, or how Netflix always knows what show to recommend next? It's not magic, it's AI. But how does AI learn to do these amazing things? It's not by someone typing millions of rules, it's thanks to something called machine learning. Welcome to She Explores the Cosmos, Artificial Intelligence, where we're about to uncover the secret sauce that makes AI so smart, teaching computers to figure things out for themselves. If you can, think about how old school computers worked. If you wanted a computer to do something, like sort emails, you had to write every single rule for it. If email has free money, put it in spam. If it has urgent prize winner, put it in spam. This is like giving someone a giant rulebook for every single situation. It works for simple stuff, but what if you wanted it to recognize a dog in a picture? It's almost impossible to write rules for every dog breed, pose, and background. So that's where machine learning changes the game. Instead of giving computers endless rules, we're giving them lots of data or examples and special algorithms or learning instructions. These algorithms then let the computer figure out the patterns and rules on its own. And guess what? It's exactly like how you learn. You see a bunch of examples, and your brain connects the dots. To really understand machine learning, let's look at its main components. Data, the AI's food. This is the raw stuff AI learns from. Pictures, words, numbers, sounds. The more good data AI gets, the smarter it becomes at recognizing patterns. Like if you want an AI to tell the difference between an apple and an orange, you would need to show it tons of examples of both. Algorithms, the learning instructions. These are the special computer programs that help AI find patterns in the data. There are different types of algorithms for different jobs. See if they look familiar. Learning with a teacher. Supervised learning. This is like learning from flashcards. We give the AI examples that already have the answers, like photos of cats labeled cat. The AI learns to match the picture to the label, used for stuff like recognizing faces or predicting house prices. Learning on its own. Unsupervised learning. Here, the AI gets data without any answers. Its job is to find hidden groups or connections. Imagine giving it a gigantic box of random toys and telling it to sort them into groups that make sense, like by color, size, or type, without you telling it how. Used for things like grouping similar customers. Learning by trial and error. Reinforcement learning. This is like teaching a pet tricks with treats. The AI tries things, and if it does something right, it gets a reward. And if it does something wrong, it gets a penalty. And over time, it learns the best way to do things to get the most rewards. This is used for teaching AIs to play games and control other robots. The next component is training, the learning phase. This is when the AI's algorithm chews through all the data, constantly adjusting itself to find the best patterns. It's the AI's study time. Model, what the AI learned. After training, the algorithm, with its adjusted parameters, becomes a model. This model is now smart enough to take what it learned and apply it to new information that it's never seen before. And finally, prediction, the AI's smart guess. When we give the trained model new data, it uses its learned knowledge to make a smart guess or decision, like presenting it with a chess position and it correctly announces checkmate. You are already using machine learning every single day, probably without even thinking about it. Your email spam folder uses machine learning to catch junk mail, learning from patterns of what's real and what's fake. When Netflix, YouTube, and TikTok suggest your next show or video, that's machine learning figuring out what you like based on what you've watched before. Your smartphone uses machine learning for facial
Analyzing
recognition
now.
to unlock your phone or tag friends in photos. Or when you talk to Siri, Google Assistant, or Alexa, voice recognition and natural language understanding powered by machine learning help them understand what you're saying and respond. Machine learning is the heartbeat of modern AI because it gives computers the incredible ability to learn and adapt from experience. This means that AI can tackle super complex real world problems that are impossible to code step by step. It's the engine that lets AI evolve, get smarter, and keep improving over time. You've just taken a huge step in understanding how AI learns. Next time, we're going to debunk common AI myths and discover the truth behind the tech. If this video helped you understand machine learning, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to She Explores the Cosmos.